Hey there, all my water adventure seekers. It's time to update your SUP air pump to something that can handle several boards with one battery charge and is portable. I'm Gina with WTI, and I'm so delighted with this one that I got from Hydrohero. For one thing, when I go paddleboarding, we have to haul our boards out to the shore, and it's just easier to do that when they're in the bag instead of having to carry them all inflated. You don't have to have the power supply in your car. This has a 5200 mAh battery capacity, so it can inflate up to 7 boards to 12 psi, and it deflates. In fact, they're so paper thin when they're deflated, it makes it super easy to roll up and put in the bag. This has set it and forget it technology. You just simply push the power button, set your PSI using the plus or minus buttons, press your power button again, off it goes, and then once it reaches that PSI you've set it at, it automatically turns off. This comes with many different adapters, so you can use it for more than just your stand-up paddleboard. And I love that it comes with a dry bag. That is so helpful when I want to go paddleboarding because I just have my dry bag right there with my SUP pump in it, and I'm good to go. This is the supreme cream of the crop pump. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.